In this video, we will show you how to install Windows 11 on Hyper-V. Before you install the Windows 11, first in here, you need to prepare the ISO file. For example, I have Windows 11 22H2 with the ISO format. And after that, you can open your Hyper-V Manager. This is Hyper-V Manager. And on your Hyper-V Manager with your machine name, just click New, or you can do with right click in here and click New and choose virtual machine. Click Next and give your virtual machine name. For example, I give the Windows 11 for the name, and this is generation 1 and generation 2 because Windows 11 has only 64 bits support. Let's select generation 2 and click Next, and this is you need to allocate your memory for your virtual machine. I set to 8 gigabytes approximately and click Next. And for the networking, I select not connected, and the virtual hard disk just set 50 gigabytes for example, and then click Next. And this is you need to point into your ISO files. I will point into my ISO files in here. Then we can click Next and click Finish. Now we are done creating the virtual machines. Now let's connect into our machine and try to start this machine and installation. Just press any key. Actually, using Hyper-V is faster than using third-party application like VirtualBox or VMware when to create virtual machine like this. You can see it's very smooth and fast, but there is some lag, like you cannot see the full version. Not like VirtualBox, you can scale the size of the screen. In here, let's select I don't have a product key, and you can select Windows whatever you want here. Let's just select for home version and click Next. Okay, this PC can run Windows 11. Okay, you can just press Shift plus F10, type regedit in here and hit enter. After that, we can go to computers and HK local machine in here. Okay, and then system and then setup. As you can see there, right click on the setup folder and click new and key and type lab config in here. Okay, then we can right click in here and select new and select dot 32-bit value, and in here you need just type bypass dpm check and enter in here, make the values is 1. Okay, and then right click again and select dot 32-bit value again and bypass in here, check your boot check. Okay, and enter again and make the value is 1, and we can try to close this and close this, and we can try to back this, and we can try to click select again. Voila. Then we can click I accept the Microsoft software license terms and click next and select custom, and in here I just need this all of partition and click next. Now the installation has begun. We need to wait until all it's done. It's faster than using VirtualBox, VMware, or etc. Let's wait this. More than 90%. You can see the process is faster, and you can see the process in the percent it faster rather than we are using third party to creating a virtual machine. Now installing the features, installing the updates and finishing up. Okay, this is the quick process, not like in the above process. Just click restart now, and here we need to wait the process on the hyperv. Getting ready. Maybe when we install the Windows 11 on the another machine or another third-party software like VirtualBox, sometimes it's often in this process is stuck, and this will not happen if you are using Hyper-V. You can see the loading process actually is very smooth in here. Just a moment, waiting for this also. And our Windows 11 continue for the installation. You can see the layout is also not a problem in here, not like if we are using third-party software. Just click yes and skip for this. Okay, having trouble getting connected, we can select settings in here. If we cannot continue, we can just okay, we can select default switch. If we cannot continue, we can just restart the virtual machine, but let's try. Now connect it and click next. Checking the updates. In here, let's give the name of our device, AV for example, and click next, and waiting for the process again. This is to unlock our Microsoft experience. Just click sign in and using your account. If we try to click sign in options, there is no offline account in here. Just type your Microsoft account or create new one. Okay, I will using my account. You need to wait this process. Creating the pin, I will just type 1212 to easy remember. Click OK and disable all of these services to make your Windows 11 faster, and click accept. And I will skip this. Also, I will skip this. I think the Windows 11 too many ads in here. I click this line and click this line. Skip for now. You can see there too many ads over in here. Checking the updates, and we need to wait. Okay, now this is the last process, getting things ready for you. Let's wait until it's done and showing the desktop, and it's very smooth. No especially hard thing, so we cannot install the Windows 11. In my experience, the Hyper-V is better, faster, but there is lag on the appearance, cannot full screen or cannot scale mode. You can see there, this is just only like this. If you see the view, zoom level, if you choose auto, okay, there is maximum look like this. In here the maximum cannot like a VirtualBox, we can scale the appearance or the box in here. It's almost done. Please keep your PC and plug in. Almost there. Okay, Voila, this is our Windows 11 and installed successfully on hyperv. And the only one method we can make this bigger. Actually, let's try to right click and select display settings and the resolution. For example, like let's select the high-res and clip change. And let's see here. Oh, it's too bigger. Select again display settings and select this for example and click keep change. Okay, it's still too bigger and this and keep change. Okay, we got it. As you can see, it's faster, but the lack of appearance in here. You can see I can operate the virtual machine almost no problem in here. It's faster. And that's all tutorial how to install Windows 11 on the Hyper-V, and hope this video helpfully for you, and thanks for watching.